The fire was cooled only once for Prophet Abraham. It does not get cooled every day, and the sea was split only once for Prophet Moses. Peace be upon him. It does not happen every day either. Otherwise, all these matters could not function. These are the strong and firm laws of God. And they are so firm that the messenger of God, Prophet Abraham, peace be upon him, presented a proof of Allah's oneness in the court of that disbelieving king, as mentioned in Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 258. He said that my Lord is the one who brings the sun from the east. If you claim to be a Lord, then bring it from the west. This is a definite law, a physical phenomenon of nature. Physical phenomenon of nature. Allah the Almighty is not bound by this, but He has established a law, and upon this, the disbeliever became agitated. My Lord is the one who brings forth the sun from the east, and this is with respect to the earth. Some disbelievers object to this as well, claiming that the sun does not rise at all. However, when these disbelievers provide daily timings in their newspapers, what do they give? Sunrise and sunset. If we start mocking them by saying that sun does not rise or set, they would respond that this is in reference to the earth. So my brothers, this is also a matter being discussed relative to the earth. Otherwise, the sun does not set at all. All these matters occur due to the rotation of the earth.